Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Achilles Financial. Today we're going to be talking about STEM Inc. It's been a while since we've spoken about them on the channel, but I really want to focus on two key updates that occurred today. The first of which, and we can see this reflected in the stock price today, an analyst from Susquehanna, you're going to have to give me some benefit for mispronouncing that, actually initiated coverage on them today with a buy rating and a $35 price target. So if you'd like more details there as to why they thought that, you can go and check out their website as well as this particular analyst to see why he believes that they should be a $35 price target. As you and I both well know, I've been covering the stock for quite some time. I believe that the price target is in the $40 price range for the end of this year based on trailing 12 months earnings. We will be expecting the earnings call for them to be the second or third week of August, where they'll give that Q2 update, which will be incredibly important. However, all this being said, there is another huge update that I wanted to highlight today. If you go to their website and click on SEC filings, you can see that they actually filed an S1 today. It's the July 19th. That is today. It's about around midday Eastern time for the market. And what I want to focus on is that they are filing to offer additional shares, not from the company. So I do want to make sure that we're highlighting this is not an additional share offering in the form and fashion where the company is issuing additional shares associated where they will be getting the proceeds. So that's important to note that the information that is being covered in here, again, the registration, is that all of this information or all of these shares that are being issued are from current securities holders. So these are people who were initial investors who provided additional money, and they are going to be the one receiving this pricing. So the question is going to come up, well, is this additional dilution? And I am going to highlight that yes, this is additional shares becoming readily available on the marketplace. However, this has already been baked into the overall value of the company. This is not changing the market cap. This has been an expectation for them for quite some time. These are people, again, who were getting in as initial investors, and now they're doing some profit taking. One of my concerns with this, as you can see, is that the registration fee, if all of this were to sell for the full value of about $150 million, it would be right at 10%, a little over 10% of the total transaction. So when that happens, again, the people who are going to be benefiting from that are the firms who are going to be doing the share offering. They are inclined to sell at the highest point in time. I don't believe that this is all going to be at one go, just due to the fact that you can see the price offering per share is right at $4.50 to $5 more than they are today. Again, there's been a lot of volatility in the stock today. So all of this, really the two key things that we want to focus on is yes, they are issuing additional shares. No, they are not benefiting from this. It is just securities holders today are going to be selling those shares, looking to take some of those profits. It seems that the market seems to be taking this quite well as the stock is up on the day, but only time will tell. This is a stock that for me personally is one of my long-term holds, and I am very bullish on the future prospects of the company. They are losing a lot of money in terms of overall profitability right now, which I find very concerning, which is why I'm going to be looking to the Q2 earnings as they continue to point to this is how we become profitable. This is how our pipeline, which is already covering all of their expected 21 revenue, is covered, and not only why it is covered, but how we are actually delivering on it. So super excited for that. I do expect, pending really good news, if the stock shoots back up to $45, $50 a share again this calendar year, that they would issue additional shares. I don't see them doing so at the current share price, but I could be wrong on that. So this is your market update associated with STEM stock. I do a number of these, especially covering STEM. So if you find this content helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Or if you want to talk about it, we have a channel dedicated to STEM in the Discord, which is in the description down below. Thanks for watching. If you made it this far, talk to you later.